very hot these days, so drink lots of water and stay hydrated.
You heard Mom, so let's bring our own water bottle every day. And also, I'll post a reminder in RGC so no one can forget.
Oh no, I forgot my water bottle.
Here, have some of mine.
Thank you.
Remember what Mom said, drink water, especially PE class. That's right, we should always bring water and take care of our health. Oh, I'm glad that you're drinking water now. Keep it up.
Yes, nurse, our teacher reminder will help us to drink water every day.
It is very hot today. Many students feel tired. That's why I always bring my water bottle every day because drinking water can keep us healthy.
Same for me. Last week I feel sick because I did not drink water enough during PE. Now I always fill my bottle before class.
That's a good idea. I also put an alarm in my phone says, bring water tomorrow. I will also send a reminder in our group chat. Bring your water bottle tomorrow. Stay hydrated.
Thank you, Ria. The reminder is very helpful.
Let's bring water every day.
Our skit shows Laswell model of communication. Who? The teacher gave an important reminder about drinking water. Says what? The message is to stay hydrated, especially during hot days.
The weather is very hot these days, so drink lots of water and stay hydrated.
In which channel? The teacher shared it in class and through the group chat. To whom? The students listened and followed the reminder. With what effect? Everyone became more careful, stayed healthy, and avoided dehydration. This role play shows how communication in school can influence positive behavior. It reminds us that good communication is clear, simple, and helpful.